Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Turtle Tootsie, Who Knew, and Uber Chic's Lovely Leaves. This is Who Knew from Turtle Tootsie. It's kind of like a brown hollow with cream flakies in it. You guys know how good I am explaining descriptions and stuff of polishes. That's the best it can get. That's as good as I got today, y'all. There we go with our first coat. I am going to cap my free edge here. Look how pretty that is on the brush. Bling, bling. I am going to go in with my second coat here. And it's going to be a two-coater for me with the length of my nails and the thickness of my coats. I think two coats will work. I am using Pure Ice Girl on the Run today. I know, shocker. Trying to wean myself off of that Pro FX before I totally run out. So I do like Girl on the Run, although it sometimes is hard to find as well. Capping my free edge. Here's a swatch photo of Who Knew. And here is Uber Chic's Lovely Leaves. And here it is. It says Lovely Leaves up in the plate too. I'm going to use this image to start with. And this is Maniology's Evil Eye. And I got my Maniology scraper and my cube stamper. Also from Maniology. And we're just going to go in and I'm going to stamp this image on two fingernails. And I'm going to do a little bit something different on the other two. So here we go. Got that image picked up and I'm just kind of roll it on. And it looks pretty good. Kind of hard to see on camera. Cleaning off my stamper on a lint roller. Get it real clean. And then I'm going to clean this plate off with pure acetone. No conditioners, no softeners, no nothing else in it. And then we're going to do this process once more. I love this shade though, this like cranberry red. Oh, I love it. And I am, I guess, getting excited about fall. But you guys know if I feel like wearing hot pink next week, I'm going to do it. And then I'm going to use this little leaf. It kind of matches up with the full image that I just used. And I'm going to use that as like just something on my other two nails. I'm just going to, you know, plop that in. But it still lets a lot of that base color show. And that's what I was going for. And truth be told, I really thought this manicure was going to end with these little red leaves. But it doesn't. Nope, I'm just going to give you a heads up. As per usual, I kind of started cleaning up. Here we go, we're going to do our tape cleanup. And I'm looking at it the whole time. And although you can't see it very well on camera, I could see it pretty good in real life. But with the bling going on in the background and that shade, it's just, I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, no, I think it needs something more. But I'm cleaning it up like I'm fixing a top coat and I'm all done and everything, and I'm not digging it, so I decided to do more. That's when the girl made the decision that we're going to go in with this Maniology, and this was the Liquid Sunshine. It's gold, but when I stamp over all these other dark colors, it doesn't really look that gold, so I thought it kind of worked out. So now the trick is to line this up over the already stamped images. There we go. And it totally changes the manicure. I do all of the nails with this double stamping here. And I'm not going to just claim that it's my favorite manicure of the year or anything, but I ended up liking it. I ended up wearing it for a week, so, you know, can't hate it too much if you're wearing it for a week, right? So there we go. And I will be topping it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. There we go. Capping that free edge, even though I'm not supposed to do that. And then we're going to cover everything up with some Poshe top coat. I'll seal it in and dry it down, let it be good. And this is my manicure. So, you know, I'd really love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're up to, what's on your nails. Tell me whatever's on your mind. There's my swatch photo. So I want to thank you all for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon.